rename the fraction as a percent. So these kinds of questions can be very tricky, but they can also be very, very simple. And luckily, if we have a look at these ones, we might be able to get a sense pretty quickly that these are very easy because each of the denominators is 100. And if we remember, percent, what does that mean? Well, it means per 100 or out of 100. So because these are already out of 100, these should be relatively simple to do. So if I take a look at the first one, 45 over 100, it's 45 out of 100. So that is the percent, 45%. The same goes for the one straight underneath it, 151 out of 100. Therefore, that is the percentage, 151%, 151 per 100. And the last one over here is 2 out of 100. So that's what it is, 2%. And really, these kinds of questions, they really are as simple as that.